everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. Today I'm going to teach you different ways to animate. First, let's start with the most easiest way, probably the most known way too. We're going to get a repeat until, and we're going to take a operators, and then we're going to do equals to, and then we're going to get a costume number, and then we're going to put that on the left side. Then we're going to write, I'm going to choose this to 6 because I have 6 costumes. You can choose whatever you want. I'm going to do next costume, and I'm going to do 0.05 because, I mean, you can make it as fast as you want. I'm just going to choose 0.05. Yes, in this animation, this example animation, I decided to turn Scratch Cat's head, and that's the basic way of animating. Now we're going to do a... Okay, you're probably asking me, potato. Why? I really want a more fancier way, like a more, unique and just an easier to work with way. Well, I've got that just in store for you. So, do not delete this if you've already tried to do it at first. Keep it there. It's very valuable. We're going to go to My Blocks, and we're going to click Make a Block. We're going to write... Okay, we're going to write Animate until, and we're going to get a number input and write frame. Next we're going to say sex, that means seconds. Okay, till, next. Okay, and we're going to write for, get another input, and we're going to write pound or hashtag. We do not need run without screen refresh. Now click OK, and then attach this to our old repeat costume number thing. So, all we need to do is 2 more things. We need to drop this thing, our frame, into here. And we need to put our pound or hashtag there. So let me explain how this My Block works. We animate until the costume number is whatever we write. If I write 6, then it will animate until costume number 6. We can do any number we want. Then seconds until next frame. Well, we're gonna wait. You know how we wait 0.05 seconds? That's technically the same thing with the year. We can choose any number we want. That's why this is more easier. It's only 1 block. Yeah. Okay, let's pause that. Let's do 0.05. Maybe you want to do 0.025. Yeah, the higher you go, the more it divides, so it goes faster. So we're just going to do 0.03. I feel like that should be good enough. It's still pretty fast. So, thank you for listening to this tutorial. Maybe, I'm forgetting those 2. I think it's subscribe, and it's like, and it's also... Yes, it's ding ding. Why do I always forget ding ding? But anyways, please click the ding ding button, which is also the bell, to get notified every time I make a new video. Thanks for listening, and goodbye.